Welcome to a point of view test drive on the Renault Kadjar. So I've got the keyless entry, so I should just be able to open the car like that. Come on, there we go. Didn't have to press the button. Before we do this though, I'm just going to show you the back seats there. That's our camera, we're using that for recording the audio from the camera I've got on my head. And here, come on, is the boot. There, look, it's got flippable boot divider there. Look into that. I'll put that right actually for now. So, let's take it for a spin. This Renault Kadjar has the 1.6 litre diesel engine in it. You can get it with a 1.5 litre diesel and a 1.2 litre turbo petrol and a 1.6 turbo petrol. And if you're just going around town, I'll go for the 1.2 petrol, it'll probably do the job. If you're doing occasional motorway though, you're going to need the 1.6 petrol. If you're doing loads of miles, get one of the diesels, and not this one, not the 1.6 diesel, get the 1.5. It's quick enough and it's smoother, it's nice, just nicer to use really, and it's supposed to give better economy. So let me just turn the air conditioning down, put the infotainment system on. So if you're going to buy this car, you need the Dynamic S trim, okay, because then you get this infotainment screen, which is actually all right, and enough equipment on it. Let you have a quick look around. The design is pretty simple. All models get digital driver's display. You have to pay extra for that kind of thing on an Audi. Take it through the corners. So this car is geared for comfort, but it doesn't fall over when you throw it into a bend, though it's not fun. No, a Seat Ateca definitely feels sharper to drive if that's your thing, but is it your thing? No, you don't buy one of these cars to throw it around. If you want that kind of thing, then get something like a sports saloon or just normal hatchback. So to drive normally, it's quite a relaxing car, so it's generally very comfy over bumps. It does fidget a bit over like broken surfaces, but a lot of these cars do that. The biggest problem is the tyre noise. I'm not sure if you can tell it. It's just a bit noisy at times when you're cruising along the motorway, which is a bit of a shame. Other than that though, it's hard to fault, and visibility is quite good. I'll let you have a look around. It's nice with this glass roof, and yeah, the quality's all right though. This one's starting to rattle, and it's only done like 4,000 miles. If you look down there, you'll see. Which is a shame because I do quite like the design. It does feel reasonably well put together. There's decent practicality in it. It's quite a good all-round family car actually, and it's really, really good value for money. So it starts from around £20,000, and obviously if you click on the pop-out banner, which should just be appearing now, the top right-hand corner of the screen, you can go to carwow.co.uk and see what the best offers you can get on this car. Now like this though, when you walk away from the car, look, it'll automatically lock itself when you get a certain distance away with the keyless go. And voila! Hope you enjoyed that point of view test drive in the Renault Kadjar.